Are you one of the millions losing sleep from overheating, night sweats, or hot flashes? Or do chilly beds and cold feet keep you up at night? Wouldn't it be amazing if you and your partner could each have your own perfect sleep temperature on your own side of the bed instantly and on demand? Introducing the BedJet, the world's first ultra-rapid cooling, heating, and climate control system made just for your bed. The BedJet uses revolutionary direct convect air technology, sending air directly into your bedding to provide quiet and luxurious cooling and heating comfort. Use the BedJet on any size bed, any type mattress, and install under the bed in just minutes. Control your comfort via wireless remote or our Bluetooth smartphone app. Just press a button to cool off instantly with a dry and refreshing room temperature breeze through the sheets, or warm your bedding to that toasty, just out of the dryer feeling in only 180 seconds. With over 50% of couples having different sleep temperature needs, the BedJet solves the nighttime battle over the thermostat between you and your partner. Using our dual zone air comforter accessory, now each side of the bed is independently cooled or warm, giving you and your partner your own perfect sleep temperature just the way you want. We spend 1/3 of our lives in bed. Why settle for anything less than perfect, luxurious comfort and a great night's sleep? Plus, save hundreds on your utility bills by cooling or heating just where you sleep and not where.
This is Tado, a little device that makes your AC unit smart. At 7 in the morning, Tado sets the AC unit to the right temperature. This is Lizzie and Harold. Harold is known for reading a little too much and forgetting things a little too often. Lizzie, on the other hand, likes things at 90-degree angles and taking care of Harold. Thanks to Tado, Harold doesn't have to remember to turn off the AC when he leaves. Tado does it for him. While he is out at the market, the AC is off so they aren't wasting any energy. After a long, hot day, Harold is thrilled to get home to his pre-cooled apartment. Wouldn't you be?
ECOFLOW's River is a new generation of smart, clean, mobile power. It's a portable lithium-ion battery with the world's most comprehensive array of charging ports and one of the highest total energy outputs of almost any storage solution on the market. It's designed for everybody, from outdoor activities and indoor leisure to industrial applications and emergency services. River releases you from the shackles of an outlet so that you can power a free life. The unit is equipped with 11 independent charging ports, which can all be used simultaneously for a total output of 500 watts. To put this in perspective, that means you could power 2 iPhones, 2 iPads, 2 MacBooks, a mini fridge, a lantern, a drone battery, a mobile Wi-Fi unit, and stereo speakers all at the same time without limiting the output on any port. With a storage capacity of 416 watt-hours, River gives you more power than almost any battery of its kind. You can jam on your electric guitar for 20 hours straight. Or you can watch a 10-hour marathon of your favorite TV show by campfire. River's battery can be recharged in 3 different ways. A standard outlet or a car charger can replenish the battery to full capacity in just 8 hours. With ECOFLOW's portable solar panels, River can be recharged with absolutely 0 carbon emissions in just 12 hours. The real-time display allows you to monitor the battery's current output power, remaining capacity, and charge time.
Being a documentary filmmaker, a lot of my shoots happen outside. A lot of times our locations are way out in the middle of nowhere. First time I used River, I was really surprised at how much these little units can accomplish. On location, everything runs on batteries. We have to set up a DIT station, a battery charging station, and we could even run our LEDs when we need extra light and never have to worry about the noise and the pollution of a generator.
Applications for battery power are endless. River isn't just an accessory. It's your power companion for harnessing clean energy anywhere, so you're free to go everywhere. And by the way, this isn't just a concept. River has been tried and tested. And as you can see, this entire production has been lit by River.